Great. So, yeah, give a round of applause.
Can you hear me, folks?
Yes.
Hi. So Adrian and Janice, and we live in New Farm in Brisbane, and we're sort of not, as you can see, not as young as we used to be, and so we decided we needed to do something to supplement what we currently earn from our investments and so on. And so Janice had been searching and looking on the internet at various companies that do what Alex does, and we actually went to another one of them once, and that was a disaster, but that was okay. We're not rah-rah sort of people, but we happened to be in Sydney visiting Janice's daughter, and we looked at all the stuff from Alex, and let's give him a ring and see if we can have a chat. And I think, as the lady on the video said, I rang his mobile and he answered, and he agreed to meet us at a hotel down at the Quay,
The Marriott Hotel.
At the Marriott, for a chat. And that was enough, because we're both very strong in management and sales backgrounds, but we're not IT literate at all. And we knew that to be successful, we would need to have someone who could teach all that to us. And so we decided originally to join as Gold. We thought, well, at least we'll get one product up. And then when we realised how complicated some of it is, but our brains don't work quite as well as the 30 and 40-year-olds of the world. So we decided to go to Platinum for all the benefits that Platinum brings. So we know that we can put 10 products up in a period of time with their assistance. And that the assistance of Alex and his team, Sally, Sarah, Peter, the keyword king. And so we got started. Janice, in the first few weeks, and I'll say this without any issues, initially we were advised to just choose small products to get started. Well, no, Janice doesn't do anything in small serves, so she did a month of researching products all around, all different types. And can I just say, when we first launched them, Peter saw it, rang Janice and said, you need to relook at your keywords. And this is something we learn here. Keywords are the key, because when people are searching on Google or on Amazon, this is the other set. It's a 5-piece set. If you don't want all the other bits, this is a 5-piece set with a stand. And so we had them reworded, and on the 17-piece set, we moved from page 7 to page 1 instantly, and on this set, we moved from page 7 to page 2. And the dog seat cover moved from page 7 to page 2. All because Peter recommended we relook at all this up here. The keywords in there link to what people are searching for. So we're very, very pleased to be part of Alex and Peter's team. They've done a fantastic job for us in helping us, and will continue to do so, because unfortunately my wife's been unwell in the last 6 months, which is why she wasn't here in December if you were here, but we would love to do the Canton trip in October, so put our names down please, and once she gets the clearance from her surgeon in a couple of months we'll be right. But the team have done a fantastic job in supporting us, and I highly recommend that if you're out there, go Gold. If you're Gold, go Platinum.
Awesome.